Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be well friends. So friends, in this video, leaders in an array. Today we will solve this on the GFG problem. So you can see here the so very easy. Okay, how it can be before after solving. Sorry, during the solution solving, you can guess it how it can be easy, right? Before the question solution solving, I want to explain the question how it can be how it can be solved and what should be the approach we will use, right? So coming to the move here, right, and we will solve here 16 17 16 17 4 3 5 2, right? These elements are presented. Okay, so question is telling, given an array name of the a, okay, of the positive integers, your task is to find the leaders in an array, in the array, right? An element of the array is leader if it is greater than or is equals to all elements to the right side. It means that we will check it from the right sides, which one is the greater and which one is the equals to the previous inside the right elements, from the right elements. And also into most important line is here, the rightmost element is always a leader. It means last one is, it will be the always leader, right? So this one, it will be the always our the leader, right? And our program, it will be checked from the two here, from the last element, right? How it can be the, we will check it, we will create the one array list, right? We will create one list, okay, because we will require it to create a array list. Okay, so if you will be create the array list, right, and we will store one by one. Okay, so first of all, this one, it will be the outcome, right? You can see here 2 it will become, and after then we will check the condition, right? Which one check? Which means those one element is present in our the array list between 2. Okay, and it will be check the those one element, it will become, what will be the next? 5. So it will check the who those element is presented in our the array list, and those one element will come for the checking the leader or not. So it should be the greater than, from we will compare to this element those has presented in our the array list. So I am comparing it. So here I will come here it will become the 5. It should be the greater than is equals to 5. So you can see here the condition is true, so it will be also come inside the array list, right? And after then next one, at the place of here, what one element our come? Here it will be the 5. Sorry, here it will be the our 5 come, right? And here what one? 3. But you can see here the condition is false. 3, you can see here the 3 is not a greater than is equals to 5, so condition is false, so cancel it. Second one element will come, so 4. So you can see here the this one is also not true, because 4 is less than 5, right? But next one element is a 17, but when it will be 70 will come, so 17 it can be a store because condition is true. So in our the list 17 it will be a store. Okay, but after 17 it will be at the place of here. It means that like 17 greater than is equals to, right? And after then here it will be what one? 16. So condition is false, right? But you can see here the this one is the our output, right? Simple discuss, you can see here the 17 5 and 2, right? But here the we need to the reverse order. When we will print our the list, so we convert with reverse order method, and after then we will print it, right? As you can see the second one separate discusses. So you can see here the lastmost element is the leader, so leader is also present, and also second one is the 4, because we will follow this step, that like 1 2 3 4 and 0, right, and 0. Okay, so you can see here we will follow the steps. So 0 it will become, sorry, less than, greater than is equals to second one element. So condition is true, right, because this one is the has stored in our the list, 0 has stored in our the list. Okay, so I'm creating it in the down of the list. Okay, list has created, so it will be a store our the firstly 0, and after then condition is true, and 4 also has come. Okay, so again, but you can see here after then here it will be 4, and here it will be the 3. So you can see here the condition is not true, right, condition is not true, that's why and you can see here the all elements are just lesser than the 4. So after then no anyone will store here, but our the sample test cases is here 4 and 0. So and our the store in our the list 0 and 4. So we will, before the printing we will reverse order, right. So right, I'm going to write here the program, and you can easily will be guess it, right. So I'm going to create here the one array list, and I will store integer, and name of the array list is a list, and I'm creating here the new, and array list. Okay, and first you know the already that the last one element is the leader, right. So I'm going to the store in the directly. Okay, so list, and I will use add method, and last one element it will be the name of the array is arr and square bracket in minus 1, it will use the store, right. And after that I will use for loop, and I want to the move the last one element, it will be check here, because we are checking the last one element from the right sides. Okay, and one by one we are checking those one element is greater than those element has present in our the last one in our the list. So that if that one it will be not present in our the list, so that one I will be a store in our the list, and otherwise we will leave that one the elements. Okay, so we will store the here the from n minus 1. Okay, and we will start from the n minus 2, right, and greater than is equals to 0. Okay, and here I will subtract. Okay, right, and we are checking here the if here, and we will check the list, right. First one is array, it will be the come, right, between n minus 2, it means the second element it will become here at the place of here. Okay, and I want to check it the each one is greater than is equals to those one is the element is presented in our the list. So list, and yes, list dot get, and after then a square bracket, and I will write here the list dot size, sized, right, size method, right. So here it will be the come 0, so 1 it will be stored already. So we need to do minus 1. Why? Because when before the stored our the element it will be count to 1, but I want to the match here the 0 index positions, right. And after then if condition is true, and I will store those one condition it will true. So list dot add and array I, fine. And here I because complete, and we will reverse it, collection dot reverse, reverse, AC reverse, name of the list, list, array list. Okay, and we will return it, return the list. Fine. So I'm going to the compile it. Giving here the error. Why? Collection and get there at the two place of the, because get is the method, so we will write inside the bracket. Okay, and collection cap C, it will be the capital. So you can see here the friends, so minimal issues was I was created, but you can remember it. Okay, so compile it and I'm going to the submit it. So it has a successful submitted. Okay, I hope you will be understand. So very easy problem statement. So thanks for this watching video.